Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to see about the engine crash guard installed in my Honda CB300R. This crash guard is from an international brand called SW Motech. This is one of the reliable brands which does a lot of testing on their products before bringing them to the market. So the product cost will be on the higher side, but it will be very reliable and serve its purpose when indeed. There are a lot of videos about the products from SW Motech all over the YouTube to know more about them. This crash guard is a 3-point contact installation. So during any crash, the impact will be distributed to all the 3 points, and so it will not cause a heavy damage on the bike's frame. This was one of the very reason I chose this crash guard over a frame slider. The design is so simple and clean that it easily merges itself into the bike's design. One can barely notice the crash guard installed. There are no vibration issues from this guard at any high speeds, unlike I heard from the other cheaper options like Zana crash guard. The paint quality is also really good, and so I have not noticed any rusting issues on the paint during past 9 months. So the price we pay for it is kind of worthy for a peaceful ownership during a long period of time. I got this installed from the Bangalore Silicon Honda dealer with the help of Ayush, who runs the business over there. I will include his contact number in the description of this video. You can also buy it online in India from the website called Bike and Biker. I will mention its link as well in the description. Thank you for watching guys. Stay safe and happy riding.